Hi everyone! Shopping na naman kami. Pupunta kami sa tindahan. So, pasensya na. Ang boses ko ay nag-iba. Dahil nga nagkaroon ako ng running nose. At saka medyo masama ang aking pakiramdam. Pero tuloy pa rin ang aking video. So, let's go! Samahan nyo ako mamalingke. Bye-bye! Donut.
You buy your donut.
We're gonna buy donut. Okay, we get the donut. Have some orange.
Here, buy apple. Put it down here.
Apple. Grape.
Daddy gonna drive like this.
Some orange. Grapefruits. Your pears. We have pineapple. Wow. Oh, mango. Mango.
Mommy. Mommy.
Chocolate. Some seafood. Wow. So good. The seafood. The very big crab.
Wait, me ready. Me ready.
Complete transaction.
So ngayon tapos na ang aming pamamalingke. So dito na kami sa bahay. So salamat po sa inyong panonood at sana po ay mag-subscribe. Thank you. Bye.